Product Introduction. 4D ultrasound imaging enables real-time observation of 3D structure inside human body. Its application makes diagnosis more accurate, intuitive, complete and reliable, but most of the small and medium hospitals cannot afford its high cost. The release of the CTS-8800 promotes development and popularization of 4D ultrasound imaging, and will certainly trigger revolutionary transformation to 4D ultrasound imaging. Through the perfect match of 4D ultrasound and black and white imaging, the users can obtain 4D ultrasound imaging function at a mere cost of a black and white ultrasound, instead of high price for a high-end color Doppler, which dramatically reduces the purchase cost, as well as exam fee for the patients. Excellent 4D imaging effect, leading volume probe technology, simple and quick operation. Excellent 4D imaging effect by adopting techniques such as 3D data visualization, real-time volume rendering, real-time 3D filtering and real-time lighting simulation. The CTS-8800 is featured with excellent 4D ultrasound imaging function. Leading volume probe technology. SIUI is one of the few manufacturers that can develop volume probe in the world, and its technology is in leading position. Therefore, the CTS-8800 is endowed with high-density, high-definition volume probe, ensuring superb 4D ultrasound imaging effect. Simple and quick operation. Unlike complicated operation in traditional 4D ultrasound imaging, the CTS-8800 adopts simple and quick operation method. Just with a few simple steps, the 4D ultrasound images can be easily obtained. Working principle. By acquiring continuous 2D ultrasound images with a 4D transducer, and by using super high-speed operation chips and sophisticated algorithm, the system performs real-time fast 3D rendering on these 2D images, and thus obtain live 3D images, also called 4D images. Diagnostic process. Place the 4D transducer on the abdomen of the pregnant woman and find an appropriate section. Press 4D key to invoke the ROI sampling box. Envelope the region to be acquired with the ROI box. Then press Enter to go to 4D mode. After entering 4D mode, use the checkbox to shift the imaging select box on the left, and the resulting 4D image will be displayed on the right. Scanning tips. Tip 1. Before fetal face imaging, try to select the median sagittal section through the head, with the fetal face up, and you can also see the fetal nose tip. Tip 2. The ROI box should be a little bigger than the region to be acquired, and the extra part can be trimmed off with the imaging select box in 4D mode. When trimming, use X, Y, or Z knob to rotate. Tip 3. It will be difficult to image if the fetal face is down. Have the mother to be worked around or climb stairs for a while. Then you may continue 4D imaging when the fetus turns around. Detailed instruction. When acquiring images with the ROI box, the box position can be adjusted by moving the checkbox. Press T-bar to switch to ROI size change. And press this key again to get back to ROI position adjust. In 4D screen, move the checkbox to adjust the position of the imaging select box. Press T-bar key to switch to adjust the size of that box. And press T-bar key again to return to adjust the position of the box. Rotate the value knob to change the angle of trim line at the top of the imaging select box. From left to right, there are 3 knobs on the keyboard. The knobs are for controlling the image to rotate along axis X, Y, and Z. If the direction is wrong after rotation, you may press F1 to reset to the original state. Press the rotation key and rotate the 4D image on the right separately. Each press will rotate the image 90 degrees counterclockwise. In 4D screen, when the image is active, you may adjust the scan parameters of GAN, TGC, and frequency. In 4D screen, use F2, F3, F4, F5 and F6 buttons to adjust smooth, color, threshold, curve, and bright. The 5 parameters will exert on 4D image effect. Press Setup key to bring up advanced settings. The curves in tabs Gray and Opacity correspond to F5 curve mentioned just now. Any change in the curve shape will result in change in the 4D image. In Advanced Setting, go to the tab Extend Setup, and you may adjust image acquisition speed, image rendering speed, and scanning angle along axis Z. Increasing image acquisition speed will improve 4D image real-time, but the imaging quality will be lowered a little bit. It is recommended to use high-speed acquisition. Increasing rendering speed will improve relevant system speed in 4D mode, but the imaging quality will be lowered a little bit. It is recommended to use medium rendering speed. A decrease in scanning angle along axis Z will improve 4D image real-time, but the image acquisition range will decrease. If you want to observe the fetal face, usually the Z angle can be set between 50 and 60 degrees. In frozen state, rotate the B-GAN knob to play back the volumes one by one. Press Sync key to switch to autoplay. Press 4D key to switch to 4D image display mode. In freeze state, press Save and Record keys to save and open image data. Press Save key, and the system will save the file according to the preset path and format. Press Record key. The system will open the latest saved image file according to the preset path and format. Press record key again and it will open the previous saved file. Press enter key to open the next file. Press this key to record the disk management dialog. You can preset parameters such as path and format for saving or opening files, with formats of AVI, BMP, and JPG for selection. Some complicated disk file operations can also be performed here. Unless otherwise specified, the above operations are all effective in freeze or live mode. In 4D mode, press B mode key or escape key to exit 4D mode and return to B mode.